So students, today we will discuss about the minerals. In the minerals, there are two types, macro minerals and micro minerals. Under the macro minerals, there are five, that is calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium and phosphorus. So under the micro minerals, these five are there. So first calcium. As you know, the calcium, it's a very common calcium. It helps in growth and development of the bones as well as teeth. Also, it helps the growth and development of the bones as well as teeth, and it also helps in the blood clotting. Okay, and deficiency of the calcium, that is rickets is one of the deficiency caused rickets, and you will get the sources of the calcium from the, you will get it from the cheese, milk, egg, green vegetable, etc. Okay, so it is a very normal. Okay, next is a potassium. Potassium helps in keeping the nervous system and muscular system fit and active. Okay, it helps to keeping the nervous and the muscular system active. Okay, and you will get the potassium from the banana, tomato, vegetables and fruits. Next is the sodium. It helps in muscular activities as well as transmission of nerve impulses. So sodium, it helps the muscular activity as well as transmission of nerve impulses. So what is the source of the sodium? Pickles, salt. So this is the source of the sodium. Next is the magnesium. It repairs and maintains body cells. It repairs and maintains body cells. And you will, the source of the magnesium is beans, whole grains, meat, etc. Next is phosphorus. It helps in the formation of bone and teeth. Formation of both and teeth. Calcium में क्या था? Growth and development of bones and teeth. Here the formation from the phosphorus, it helps in the formation of bones and teeth and keep the muscles and nerve activity normal. Okay, the source of the phosphorus is egg, fish, milk and polished rice, etc. Next is the micro minerals. Under the micro minerals, there are the four main things are there. First is iodine. It helps in the production of hormones in the thyroid gland. You already heard about the thyroid. So it helps the production of hormones in the thyroid gland. It also significant for growth and development of body. It also significant for growth and development of the body. Lack of iodine can cause goiter and mental retardation. Okay, goiter देखना गले में होता है, ठीक है, गले में देखना गला फूल जाता है एक साइड से या फिर एक साइड में swelling आ जाता है. So that is a goiter as well as mental retardation. Mental retardation is also a cause of lack of iodine. What is the source of iodine? That is salt, fish, seafood, etc. Next is iron. It is essential in the production of hemoglobin. Okay, production of the hemoglobin, and its deficiency cause anemia. As you know, if lack of iron, it is the deficiency cause anemia. Okay, it is the iodine. It is essential in the formation of hemoglobin, and the sources of the iron is meat, egg, dry fruits, green vegetable, etc. Next is chromium. It stimulates insulin. It stimulates insulin activity, and its deficiency causes diabetes. It means chromium, if the lack of chromium, it causes diabetes. So it stimulates insulin activity and its deficiency cause diabetes. Sources: soybean, carrot, tomato, bajra, etc. Next is copper. Copper, it helps iron. Okay, it helps iron in the formation of hemoglobin. See, chromium is stimulate insulin activity. Okay, it stimulates chromium, but copper helps iron. It helps iron in the formation of hemoglobin, because the iron is the essential in the production of hemoglobin, and the copper is, it helps the iron in the formation of hemoglobin. Sources is green vegetable, eggs, etc. Then next is the cobalt. It protects us from anemia. Okay, cobalt is, it protects us from anemia. Sources of anemia, cobalt is green vegetables, milk, etc. Okay, so these are the minerals. Okay, there are, again I am repeating, there are two types. First is the macro minerals, under that there are 5. Again micro minerals, under that there are 4. Okay, next we will move to the next topic, that is a nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. As you know, nutritive components of diet, there are 5: protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals. And non-nutritive components of diet: fiber, or you can say roughage, plant compound, color compound, flavor compound, and water. Okay, so again I am repeating, for non-nutritive components of diet: fiber or roughage, plant component, color component, flavor component, and water. So first we discuss about the protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. So now we will discuss only about the non-nutritive components of diet.